Hello everyone, today I'm going to quickly show you how to fix this Rust error code. It's so simple and easy, so let's start. For the first step, go to the File Explorer right here. If you can't find it, just go to the Windows search bar, type in File Explorer and you'll find it. Click it. After that, you want to go to the disk you have, which is the C drive for me. Type in any folder. After that, type in P in your keyboard. You will find the program files x86. Open it, and now you just need to search for Easy Anti-Cheat and make sure to delete this file, which is easyanticheat.sys. So right click, after that select delete and confirm your deletion. It will automatically start by downloading again when you try to open Rust, so no worries about that. And that's it. For the next step, go to the Steam launcher, open it, and then go to library. After that select collections, select Rust, and now go to the gear icon right here and select properties. Now go to installed files. After that select verify integrity of game files. That way any missing file will be recovered and you can safely run the game without any issues. And that's it. If you found this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.